Four ways to scale Facebook ad accounts in 2024. We are in the August month and I have spent around 6 million on the Facebook till now and scaled them profitably. So in this video, I am going to share with you all the scaling methods that are available and how you can use them, which one is good for you, which one is not good for you. And if you stick till the end, I am going to share with you my method that I use for my clients and how I am using that method from almost 2 years. Let's start the video. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 65 million in revenue for my clients. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and thank you for investing your time with me. I hope you find something valuable in this video. Four ways to scale Facebook ads in 2024. First one, cost caps. Setting up a large budget and only letting Facebook spend when it hit the certain CPA. What is CPA? Cost per action, cost per result, cost per sales, or cost per lead? Your ultimate goal. Cost cap is one of the most popular strategies that people are praising and talking about. What are pros of cost caps? More stable cost per action. If you care about only cost per action like cost per result or cost per lead, nothing else matter to you. You can use this. You will lose less money on days Facebook is not able to deliver the result. Like Facebook is very unpredictable. Some days you get the good results, some days you don't get the good results. Right, up and down, it happens. But when you use cost caps, you will lose less money when the Facebook is not on good side on that day. If you have a goal that you want to just stick to the cost per action, if you are getting cost per result like $20 or $30, right, you want to stick to that, right? So you can set up a cost cap till $30 and then you can let it run, right? What are the cons of it? It will not reach to new people, right? It will not bring the fresh people to the business. That is the key to the business. And it will not increase the average order value, limiting growth of business, only focusing on lower people. When you put a restriction on the Facebook ads, Facebook will not able to grow. You have given Facebook a goal to give you purchase at this cost, and to do this, Facebook will find the people who are in your middle or bottom funnel and try to show ads to those people. That's why they are not able to reach out to the new people. So Facebook will try to reach out to the people who are most likely to convert and that are bottom and middle funnel people. That's why when you are using cost cap, your frequency get higher, like 2 or 2.5, like it can go higher. So if your goal is to get the certain cost of action at certain price, you should go with the cost caps. Second option, duplicating ad set or campaign. Campaigns, for example, if campaign is running at $50 profitably, then duplicate it to a $500 a day. What are the pros? It is good for the low budget ad test. Like if you want to test out the campaign or ad set at $10, $20, and you are good at this. This is very less risky thing. You can start very small with this, right? What are cons? It is inconsistent. If something is working at low budget does not mean it will work on higher budget. When you increase the budget from 2x to 3x to 5x times, you cannot be sure that it is going to work, right? The ad that is performing at $10 or $20, there is no way that you can know that it will work on $100 or $500, right? So there are ads that work on high budget and there are ads that work on low budget. If you launch a $500 of ad set or campaign, if it is not going to perform for 1 or 2 days, you are losing the money, right? Here you are spending $10, $20, $30, $50, low risk. So if you duplicate it with the higher budget, what you are doing, you are on the higher risk of losing money. And we know that Facebook is unstable in within starting days, and there will be less confidence of you to take the certain actions, right? Third scaling method, duplicating ad set. I've seen people are using this method till now. Like one of your ad set is $50 a day, profitable, you are profitable. Then duplicate it to 5 times with $100. So you will be spending around $500. If you have one ad set that is performing good for $50 per day, what you did is you created 5 ad set, duplicate it with the $100 budget. So approximately you will be spending $500. Again, this is the issue that I have told you in the previous scaling method. This is the same. It allows for low budget ad test. You don't know whether it will work or not. What are the cons? Inconsistent, high risk of losing money. You are not sure whether which of the ad set is working. So whenever you reset or duplicate the ad set, it goes again in learning phase, and Facebook need to find the hot pockets around them and see which is going to work, right? So you are spending more but not getting most. 10% or 20% rule. Increasing or decreasing the budget by 10% to 20% depending on the last 3 days, 7 days, or 24 hours day. This needs to be set by you. When I want to increase the budget by seeing the 3 days or 7 days, more days you take to make the changes, more consistent or more stability you will get. Pros and cons. Pros: consistency and stability. Less hectic for advertiser and make running ads fun and enjoyable. It leads to growth. What is the con? It appears slow. When you use this method, you are just like you are increasing the budget really slowly. For example, if you are spending $100 or $1,000, right, you increase the budget by 10% to 20%. What it will be? It will be 1200%. It will be $1,200 or $12,000. It is easy to lower down the budget and increase the budget. So which scaling method we should go with? I use 10 to 20% rule method in every ad account. Every business I go with, I use this method. 10% to 20% rule. Depending on the product, landing page, if everything is correct, you can increase or decrease the budget by 10 to 20, 15% within 24 hours. So it totally depends on those things. For example, I am just putting up a scenario where I am increasing the budget after 3 days. See, day 1, $100, day 3, $120, day 6, $144, day 9, 172, 206, day 15, 247, day 18, $300, day 21, $360, day 24, $430, day 25, $520. So that's why it appears slow, but it is not slow. You are increasing the budget gradually, slowly. This will help you in consistency and stability. You will, at certain point of time, you will see that you have hit a ceiling, that you are not able to grow up, you are not able to grow at this point, right? Then you can stabilize it. You don't need to increase it. Even if you increase it and your results got disturbed, you know what you did. You can just decrease the budget with the amount of percentage that you have increased it. It brings really stable and consistent result. So if you want more consistency, you can go with the 5% also, depending, like you can use 5% increase in the budget within a period of time, like within 7 days, like 3 times, like it will be 15%. It will be slower than this, but eventually when you see it on the broader perspective, you have increased the budget significantly without disturbing the Facebook, without harassing yourself, without disturbing your mental peace. You don't want to be in a stage where you are constantly optimizing your Facebook ads, like seeing the ad accounts daily and then making changes and making your life very miserable. Because Facebook ads are easy if you know what you are doing. If you have a concrete structure that you are placing in the ad accounts, you will never face this issue. With these certain rules of scaling I have set for the ad accounts, my life has become easy. What I need to do is, if the results are increasing, increase the budget. If it is not, then just stick to it and see for couple more days and see. If the results are a little bit disturbed, you can lower the budget. One last scaling method that I am saving for the last is that you should, once you hit a point where you are not able to scale at that certain point of time, at certain level, you need to create more ads. We are in 2024 and ads do the targeting, ads do the scaling. If you have a proven ad, you only need money to scale that ad account, right? If you don't have a proven ad and you are not able to find a proven ad for your business, right, even if you have a lot of money, it's not going to work. You will lose the money. I have separate video you can watch on YouTube. I'll just drop it down in the description, that you can watch how to create the best ad creative. If you want to scale, create better ads and do this 10 to 20% of scaling method, and you are good to go. I hope this helps. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.